Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. This will actually be the last 1 Minute English video for a couple of weeks because it's now the middle of August and like a lot of people, I'm ready for a break. I've been working flat out for the last few months and been homeschooling my kids as well, and I really need to just, get away from it all and recharge my batteries. Unfortunately, probably again, like a lot of you, we had been planning to go away, to go abroad this summer. We'd been thinking of maybe going to Indonesia to visit my wife's family. But the coronavirus crisis has put paid to all of those plans. So instead, we're going to be staycationing. You may recognise the word staycation is a blend of the word stay and the word vacation. Okay, it's a portmanteau word. And staycation can mean staying at home for your vacation and just going off and doing sightseeing things. So a London staycation would involve going to tourist sites, going out to eat, etc. Or a staycation can involve going on holiday but in your own country rather than going abroad, which is what we're going to be doing. We're having a couple of weeks out in the sticks in a very rural area. And hopefully I'll come back at the beginning of September, raring to go for the autumn term. Whatever you're doing this holiday, I hope you have a good time. And if you like this video, please do share it with your friends. Click the like button. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear from any of you who have been having a staycation or who are going to have